Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've set up an Aura frame and want to start displaying your favorite photos, the next step is uploading images to it. But for many users, this part isn't immediately obvious because everything is managed through the app rather than the frame itself. Aura frames are designed to make photo sharing seamless, whether you're adding pictures for yourself or sending them to a loved one's frame from anywhere. The process is simple once you understand how the app connects to the frame and syncs your photos instantly. Instead of transferring files manually, everything happens digitally through your phone, which makes it fast and convenient. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to upload photos to your Aura frame so you can start enjoying your memories right away. Try these. Step 1. Open the Aura app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Select the frame you want to upload photos to from the app. Step 3. Tap on the Add Photos or Upload option. Step 4. Choose the photos from your phone gallery that you want to upload. Step 5. Adjust the photo settings like cropping or captions if needed. Step 6. Confirm the upload and wait for the photos to appear on your Aura frame.